In today's video, we are taking a complete beginner's look at Kavout, an AI-powered investment research platform designed to help traders and investors make smarter decisions using artificial intelligence, market data, and advanced portfolio analysis tools. Whether you're investing in stocks, ETFs, crypto, or Forex, Kavout brings together a wide range of research tools that can help you discover opportunities, analyze assets, track portfolios, and monitor market movements from a single dashboard. Now, once you go to the official website, which is www.kavout.com, the first things you will notice is the navigation sidebar on the left-hand side. If you click on it, this will collapse and you will find all of the platform's major features and research tools. Under the sidebar menu, you will see sections including the home, discover, research agents, calendars, tools, watch list, market movers, AI stock picker, smart signals, smart money, and then for the portfolio, you have the My Portfolios, Guru Portfolios, and Portfolio Toolbox. Don't worry if don't worry if some of these sounds over don't worry if some of these sound overwhelming. Don't worry if some of these sound overwhelming right now. We will be covering each of these features later in this tutorial so you can understand why they do and why they can fit into your investing workflow. However, jumping into all of these, the most important thing to understand is Kavout's pricing structure. Knowing the differences between the plans will help you set the right expectations and determine whether the free version is enough for your needs or if one of the paid plans provide the advanced research capabilities you might be looking for. Kavout currently offers three main subscription tiers: the free, the pro, and the premium. So let's start with the free plan. This option is perfect for beginners who want to explore the platform before committing to a subscription. The free plan costs nothing per month and it includes 10 research credits each month. Users receive limited access to US stocks, ETFs, crypto, and Forex markets, along with a limited financial metrics and a limited trial of Kavout's AI research agents. This plan is ideal if you simply want to test the platform and see how its AI-powered tools work. Next is going to be the Pro plan, which is Kavout's most popular option for active investors. The Pro plan costs around $16 per month when billed annually. So you will have like 1,000 research credits per month, and you have like 30 global stock markets, ETFs, crypto, and Forex assets. And the pro users gain access to advanced features such as stock pickers, smart signals, live market movers, real-time alerts, and advanced financial metrics. If you are conducting research several times a week and want faster answers, broader market coverage, and more powerful AI tools, the Pro plan will likely provide the best balance between cost and functionality. Now, for investors who heavily rely on AI research and portfolio analysis, Kavout also offers the Premium plan. This subscription costs $39 per month when billed annually, and you get to have 3,000 research credits every month. Premium includes everything available in the Pro, while adding advanced portfolio-focused features such as the Factor Portfolio Builder, analysis tools, portfolio optimization capabilities, Guru portfolios, and My Portfolios. These tools are especially useful for investors who want deeper portfolio insights and more sophisticated investment strategies. Ultimately, the best plan depends on your investing goals, research frequency, and budget. If you are just getting started, the free plan is a great way to learn the platform. Active investors will likely find the Pro plan offers the best overall value, while serious researchers and portfolio-focused investors may benefit most from the premium tier. Now that you understand the differences between the plans, All I have to do now is click the start your free trial or your free account, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Creating an account here in Kavout is simple. All I have to do is provide your business or personal email. You can also use your Google account to make the account creation faster and easier. And just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account, you'll arrive at the Kavout home dashboard. At the top center, you will see a search box labeled "What should we analyze next?" This is where you can enter a stock ticker, company name, ETF, or cryptocurrency, or any market related questions. What will happen is Kavout's AI will then generate insights and analysis based on your query. Below the search bar, you can also select your preferred market region and language settings, allowing you to customize your experience. By default, I have chosen US, but of course, you have the ability to change it from UK, Australia, France, and Denmark. And of course, for the language, you can choose your output language as well. Now, the I want to trade section is the first category that you will see. These tools are designed for traders looking for opportunities in short to medium term. The first option is going to be the swing trade analysis, focusing on identifying trading opportunities that may last anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Now, this is kind of useful for traders who want to capture price movements without monitoring the market every minute. Next is going to be the trading signals, quick view. This tool provides quick multi-frame trading signals, helping you spot potential bullish or bearish setups across different assets and time horizons. And you have the technical analysis section. This feature analyzes price action, chart patterns, momentum indicators, and technical trends to help traders make informed decisions based on market behavior. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. And you see there is the I want to stay updated section. This area is focused on market news and current events. And the featured tool is going to be the Market Lens. This uses AI to summarize important financial news, earning reports, economic developments, and market moving events. Now, instead of you reading dozens of articles, you can quickly review the most relevant updates in one place. And of course, there's also the I want to invest section. These tools are designed for investors rather than short-term traders. So the first feature is going to be the buy or sell, providing investment ratings and analysis to help determine whether a particular asset may be worth buying, holding, or selling based on Kavout's AI models. Beside it is the fundamental analyst. This tool focuses on company fundamentals such as revenue growth, profitability, balance sheet strength, valuation metrics, and overall financial health. If you're a long-term investor, this section, I want to invest, will help you evaluate whether a company has strong business fundamentals. And then the last is going to be the I want to read market. The first feature is the market outlook. This tool provides a broader view of market conditions across regions such as the US, Europe, China, and other global markets. Instead of focusing on a single stock, Market Outlook helps you understand overall market trends and investor sentiment. The second feature is going to be the news sentiment. This AI-powered tool analyzes news coverage and determines whether sentiment is generally bullish, bearish, or neutral. It helps traders and investors gauge how media coverage may be influencing market behavior. Now, on the top right corner, you have the option to change the theme of your layout. If you prefer a sleeker and more modern look, you might want to switch to the dark theme. You see that there are two icons, the sunlight and the moonlight. If you click the moonlight, you will have a darker theme. Remember earlier when we explored the left side panel on the homepage, you can collapse or expand the sidebar at any time to access all the tools and features available on the platform. So we will be exploring each of these features one by one so you can get the most out of Kavout. And let's begin with the homepage. Basically, this is going to be your starting point inside Kavout. It provides a quick overview of market activity, important updates, trending stocks, and personalized insights based on your interests and watch lists. Below that is the Discover. helping you find investment opportunities, and it highlights trending stocks, themes, and AI generated recommendations that you may not have considered before. For example, you have like featured articles, and you have information that you can only access if you're using the Pro plan, which is going to be, for example, deluxe payments pivot at a $625 million bet on a new identity. So if you wanted to unlock all of these, you might want to subscribe to the Pro plan. But besides that is going to be the research agents. Research agents are one of the core features of Kavout. These are AI-powered assistants that perform an in-depth stock research for you. Instead of manually searching through financial reports and articles, these agents gather and summarizes key information to help you make informed decisions faster. Now, you can choose from any of the following. If you want to trade, you can use the swing trade analysis or the trading signals quick view. If you want to invest, you can use the buy or sell or the fundamental analyst. And if you want to read the market, you can choose any of the following. Let's say we are going to select an agent. Click the plus button and then enter a specific symbol or ticker. I am going for a stock. Okay, and what will happen is you will be given multiple results. Let's say I'm going to choose the XE or NASDAQ. I'm going to select it, and then all I have to do now is click the Run Research by choosing any of the following. You can choose the swing trade analysis, buy or sell, or the technical analysis. Let's say I'm going to choose the first option. You see this blue right here? Click the Run Research, and AI will generate the content for you. Depending on the complexity, it may take a little while, but as you can see, it's beginning to unlock the data insights. At this point, do not use any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. And just like that, the research agent summarizes the key information to help you make informed decisions faster. And at the bottom, you see that you have an option to copy this information if you want to send it to your client for feedback, or if you want to export in PDF, you also have that option. Next is going to be the calendars. Calendars tracks important market events such as earning reports. You also have dividends, IPOs, and economic announcements. Dividend dates and other events that can impact stock prices. So you have all of these to help you make an informed decisions. Matter of fact, you can choose from yesterday, today, tomorrow, and this week. And if you wanted to have a custom duration of a period, you can do that as well. Put your start date or your end date and click the apply button. And then under the tools, you have the watch list. The watch list is essentially a tool that allows you to monitor stocks that interest you. You can create custom lists and track price movements, news updates, or email alert if you click this small button right here. But for now, of course, you need to get the Pro plan and the Premium plan to access these extra features. But for now, we're gonna go back again to the watch list because you can create your own watch list instead. Okay, it's a great place to identify what's driving the market today. So you can put the watch list name and then click the create button. With this, it will help you track the price movements, news updates, and performance metrics in one convenient location. So you have the notifications by ticker, and of course, you also have 14 alerts by symbol. All right. And then after that is going to be the market movers, which highlights stocks experiencing significant price changes, unusual trading volume, or strong momentum during the trading session. It's a great place to identify what's driving the market today. And then you have the AI stock picker. It uses Kavout's artificial intelligence to identify stocks with strong potential based on multiple data points, market trends, and predictive analysis. But for you to unlock the AI stock picker, you need to upgrade to the Premium plan. And then you have the Smart Signals, which generates AI-powered trading and investments alert. If you click the Get Smart Signals, what will happen is you'll be asked to upgrade to the Premium or the Pro plan. But don't worry because Smart Signals helps identify potential buying opportunities, selling opportunities, momentum shifts, and trend reversals. And then you have the smart money. It helps you track institutional investor activity and capital flows. It helps you see where your hedge funds, large investors, and professional traders may be placing their money. But for you to be able to unlock the analyst rating, you need to upgrade to the premium and the pro plan. Okay? Under the portfolio, you have the My Portfolios, allowing you to create and manage multiple custom portfolios, which is kind of useful if you want to have a separate investment by strategy, sector, account type, or investment goals. Right now, we only have a limited access to the first brokerage, where we can link our Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard, or 30 plus brokerage. But if you want to upgrade to the premium plan to access all of these, AutoSig Holdings, All Accounts One View, P&L tracking, and AI diagnosis, you need to upgrade to the Pro plan. And then the Guru portfolios lets you explore famous investors and market experts. If you click the Explore Guru portfolios, what will happen is you'll be forwarded here in this new page. This tool will help you analyze holdings, strategies, and performance to gain investments. However, you need to subscribe to the premium plan before you can unlock the Guru's full potential. And then after that is the Portfolio Toolbox, providing advanced portfolio management features such as Portfolio Builder, Portfolio Diagnosis, and Portfolio Optimization. So these are here to give you diversification analysis, risk assessment, portfolio optimization, and performance benchmarking. These three tools requires you to upgrade to the premium plan. Okay? And then after that is going to be the library, serving you as the knowledge center where you can access educational resources, research reports, guides, tutorials, and investment related content. The chat history stores your previous conversations with Kavout's AI assistants, making it easy to revisit past research, questions, and recommendations. So you have the chat history, research history, prompt history, and the article history. If you want to start to research, click this button right here, and you can ask anything using the Kavout's AI agent. Click the search button, and what will happen is it will generate content for you. And by using the research history, it keeps a record of your previous research sessions, stock analysis, and the AI generated reports, allowing you to quickly return to past works. Now, the save prompt lets you store frequently used AI prompt so you can quickly run recurring research tasks without having to rewrite your instructions every time. It works together with the save articles where you can bookmark important news, stories, research reports, and educational content for future reference. We're going to go back to the main homepage because that brings us to the end of our complete beginner's guide to Kavout, which is one of the most powerful platforms for investors who want to leverage artificial intelligence to simplify market research for beginners. Of course, there may be a slight learning curve because of the large numbers of features available. Remember, if you plan to upgrade to the premium plans, use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.